Subscribe now.
Well, no one could accuse Asus of holding back at its IFE 2017 press event after it announced dozens of new or updated PCs, components and peripherals. Many of the announced updates to its laptops were simply a matter of upgrading current models to Intel's new 8th Gen Core i series processors, including the ZenBook Flip S, the world's thinnest and one of the lightest 2-in-1 laptops. That was joined by the entirely new ZenBook Flip 14, UX 461, that Asus said is the world's thinnest 2-in-1 laptop with discrete graphics. It's only 13.9mm thick, 0.55 inches, and weighing just 1.4 kilograms, 3.1 pounds, but has an 8th Gen Core i7 quad-core CPU, 16GB of memory, Nvidia GeForce MX150 graphics and a 512GB key X4 solid-state drive. The ZenBook Flip 15, UX 561, takes that performance a step further by including an Nvidia GeForce GTX 1050 GPU and up to a 2TB HDD and 512GB SSD. Both the ZenBook Flip 14 and 15 have nano-edge displays, which is Asus' way of letting you know the frame around the screens is super small. The Flip 14 is available with a Full HD touchscreen, while the 15 will have a choice of Full HD or 4K UHD resolutions.